Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 30-1, Chapter 4, Section 1, Adding, Subtracting Polynomials. Now, subtraction isn't much different than addition, but instead of putting the two piles together, we take some tiles away from the first pile. So, 4x plus 5 minus 3x plus 2 equals. Now, remember, the trick here, we are subtracting these, so this becomes minus 3x minus 2, in which case we cancel out 3 of these, and 3 of these, and 2 of these, and 2 of these, and we're down to x plus 3. Okay? Pretty straightforward, I think. Now, multiplying polynomials. Now here I want to multiply and do not use a calculator. And you're going, oh, poopy, 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 poopy. How the heck do I do this? Well, without a calculator, I suggest this is 20 plus 2 times 16 is 10 times 10 plus, 10 plus 6. Now, 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times 6 is 120. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 6 is 12. So we're adding numbers together. Now, I'm going to stop here because I can hear the groans coming. But I want you to think about it for a little bit. We're chunking it up and multiplying it. So, excuse me, what we did here was a rectangle. So 10 times 20 is 200. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 6 is 120. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, if you had trouble with that, 20 times 10, 2 times 10, 20 times 6 might be a problem, but that's 2 times 6 is 12 times 10. Anyway, so now we add these together. 200, 20, 120, and 12. Do I expect you to do this without a calculator? No. Do I expect you to be able to set this up and run it? Yes. So 2, 4, 5, 352 is what I got. Okay. Now, can you do that without a calculator? I hope so. What I want you to be able to do is do this with the tiles. Okay. So when we get 3x plus 2, this is 3x plus 2, this is x. This is x plus 1. What do we get? Well, this is, wrong color, I apologize. I should be doing this in green. X squared, another x squared, another x squared, 2 x's, 3x, and I shouldn't be making those hollow. They all should be solid, shouldn't they? Hollow implies this is supposed to be red. So what have we got here? 3x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x plus 2. Now, is that easy? It's not bad. Well, if you have the tiles, it's easy. If you got to sit here and draw it out, it's horrible. Now, some hints for you. When multiplying tiles, think in terms of area. So x times x is x times x, or x squared. X times 1 is x. And, well, 1 times 2 is 2. So note the area. Now, 3x plus 2 times x plus 1. What do we got? This is going to be x. That's 3x squared. This is going to be 1, 2. Plus 5x. So this should be plus 2. Okay, Now, something slightly harder. 2x minus 1 times x plus 1. Now I want to point out here, I've stopped making, sorry, I've simplified a little bit because I'm lazy, but we have x times x, which is x squared. X times x, which is x squared, so I have 2x squared. Now here, I have 2x, but I've got a minus 1 times x, so this is going to be minus x. 2x minus x is, and then minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. So the answer is 2x squared plus x minus 1. And notice I'm doing it with tiles. Now by now some of you guys are going, why are we doing tiles? I don't like them. Well, some people like them, some people don't. But they're also a useful tool for calculating, for multiplying polynomials. Not the only tool we're going to use, but I do want you to be able to do it. Now, I want you guys to do this one, 3 minus x times 2x plus 2. Okay? So here we're getting sneaky. This is going to be an x times a minus x, so this is minus x squared minus 2x squared. Okay? Now, minus x times 1 is minus x minus 2x. But over here, x times plus 1 will be plus x plus x plus x. As I said, if you're in the classroom with the tiles, this is actually very quick. You're probably doing faster than I can write it out. So this is minus 2x plus 4x plus 6x. And then we have 1 times 1, 3 times 2, which is plus 6. Okay? That's what I want you and need you to be able to do. Oh, and that is the end. That's the end? My apologies. Thought there was more to it. Anyway, but on second thought, that's enough examples. So I would like you to try chapter 4.1 homework, please. If you have questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise,